multiply it times 1,000. We're going to divide it by 2 times the distance times the current at maximum power. So that is the formula for measuring voltage drop. And so what you do is you can set the voltage drop here to what you want, like 2% or 3%. Then you take the voltage at maximum power, which is going to add, when you connect all your solar modules in series, 1,000 for 1,000 foot, and then it's 2 times whatever the distance is. So if the inverter is 500 feet away from the array, you have a positive conductor and a negative conductor. So you have to multiply it times 2, because that's going to be 1,000, right? And these will cancel off each other, and then the current at maximum power. And the current is what actually increases the voltage drop. So that's the formula. This is just Ohm's law, but it's the supply. Ohm's law is the I times R.
What would you say? So the dB percentage is a given that you put in?
Yes.
And why 2%?
Because it's good to do. The reason it's good to do because 3 plus 3 equals 5. I know it's 3% plus 3%. You usually have 3% for branches, 3% for feeders, but the overall voltage drop can't be 5% on branch circuit. So that's where that comes from. Yeah. So when you set your voltage drop to 2%, that's an acceptable number for the